Tuesday ngayon, back to work. Kaya naman sa awa ng Diyos. Jelana, let's wait for your sister here. None yet. O yan, back to normal. Grabe, uy. Ayan.
I did the bottom. I did this part, the ruts.
Kaya, ingat-ingat sa sarili. What's that?
They're going like crazy in this weather. They're getting this weather. They're going like crazy. I bet you they're working 8.
Our people.
I bet you they're working until 8 or 9 or 10 at night.
Maybe midnight. Letter C.
No, you want letter C like this.
Uh-huh.
What is this? Nama.
Oo.
Okay, I'm making a new one.
Whew. Pagod pa.
No change, okay?
Pagod. Jelana, what are you doing? Where's your sister? School bus. Not yet. You waiting for a long, long time. Oh. Oh, I see it. Buti na lang wala nang trabaho si Lolo, nag-retired na. So siya nang taga-sundo. Ako naman ang pasok ngayon.
What is this?
I.
1.
Oh, 1 or L?
1.
Where's your sister?
Here.
12 minutes till the oven goes off.
Long time too.
Ayun. Kaya lang, hindi naman nabawasan ang appetite ko. Kain pa rin, uy.
Mine's going guiding tomorrow. Starting out.
Oh, he's not going to work? He lost weight. He kind of like evolved his face to something.
Well, what happened was, I think he started working up there, gained weight, got rid of it real quick.
Wow, lucky for him. He can lose just like that.
Now go hike in the mountains and don't eat much. That'll take you right off. I've been 31 years old. 30 years old.
Yeah.
No, chili man. A-B-A.
A.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot to take the photo.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Ganado pa rin kumain. Where's your sister? Where your sister? Where your sister? Where? What letter? T. None yet.
Dad, you kicked me.
You should take your Band-Aid off.
It's your fault.
No, you gotta be tough.
No, your fault.
Come here, I'll take it off.
No.
Go like this. You put your hand on it, look over there and go whoop, and you would never know.
It's your fault. Yeah, you kicked
You
me.
gotta be an elastic girl. You're really tough.
Me? Okay.
You're tough.
Okay.
Oh, school bus. Wala ng signal. Come on, Jelana. Oo, my word. Okay, ganun mo na yung pangalan. Yung kamay mo doon. Ayan. Or here you go. Jelana, come on, ready. You just stand up over here. Here, no, here.